Hello and welcome to the unboxing the Soundcore Boom 2 Plus speaker. The speaker came in this box. It has a 2.0 technology for a bass, 140 watts. Here's some user manuals. From equipment, you just got the USB-C to USB-C cable for fast charging to the 30 watts. The cable length is 16 centimeters. You don't have a charger in the box, you just get the cable. Also you get a shoulder strip which matches the colors of the speaker. Now we are going to unbox the speaker unit. And here it is. Boom 2 Plus in a green color. Amazing looking. Here it is. The buttons for minus volume, plus volume, stop play, Bluetooth button, for a light for connecting more speakers, and the bass up. Now we are going to put it on a small test. We need to shut down because of copyright the music, but the sound quality is amazing. The bass and the middle and highs are amazing. Perfect bike riding, for the beach, for outdoors activities. On the back side, here is the charging port USB-C and the aux in. On the downside, there is green stance gamut for a support, which looks amazing. Also the lighting, the lights are perfect shine and you can see it in the middle of the day. This is how it looks in the daylight, and now we will put it on the test in the night, which is amazing. You don't need to have lights for your party. They're so strong, and you can adjust it all in the Soundcore application. Also changed from flash, fire, flame, light, lightning, bounce, cyclone, scan, or energy. You can adjust it, brightness, or just shut it off completely. Connecting other device, sound and bass up. You can also turn off all those button lights if you want it in an app. You can see your speaker in the app in real time, the lighting, 3D. Here is the battery percentage. Bass up. You can custom your equalizer or just put it some presets. In settings, you have button lights on and off, like this. When you're turning on your speaker, if you don't want any sound, you can just speaker prompts turn off. How to power. It is one amazing speaker. And compared with the JBL, it is more lightweight, and for half the price you have 140 watts pure of happiness. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.